And now we're going to make a little scythe, familiar with the Grim Reaper's tool weapon of choice. We've got a brown 360 with about an inch to an inch and a half left uninflated on it. And then I've got a gray 260 with about 2, maybe 3 inches uninflated on that. We're going to start at the nozzle end and we're going to make a pair of pinch twists. Just like that. And then we're going to take our 360, what we're going to make on this is a little small bubble on the end that's slightly smaller than the width of a 260. And we're going to attach our 260 right there. Those 2 pinch twists so that the bubble is sticking up through the top. Now we're going to come out and we're going to make about a 12, maybe a 14-inch bubble there. Oh, hang on to that. Then we're going to make a little small pinch twist. And about a 3/4 inch bubble there, followed by another pinch twist. And now is where we're going to give our scythe its shape, because if you're familiar with the scythe, you know that that long curved shape, so if you come straight back, you got to pin it. So what you need to do is kind of lay it alongside it, because you want it to go to lay flush, so that you'll get that effect there. And then where it's going to line up with that, put another pair of pinch twists in this one, just like that. And then we're going to secure that end in there. And we're going to take the end of our 360 and secure it into those 2 pinch twists we have there. And some of you may be wondering how we're going to keep that flat. It's because I didn't lay out a glue dot. You will need a glue dot for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and put our glue dot right there. But before we pull the paper, I want to make sure and see about where I want to attach it, so that we'll get it curved, get our curvy shape. And there you have a scythe.